Hello small viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, this time I'm going to explain you about how to use simple past tense in a short story to make it clear. Well, before it, I'm going to explain you about this construction or grammatical rule in simple past tense. Dalam simple past tense kita gunakan kata kerja kedua setelah subjek. Kata kerja kedua ada dua macam, yaitu yang beraturan dan yang tidak beraturan. Kata kerja yang beraturan atau regular verb adalah kata kerjanya bentuknya teratur, yaitu kata kerja pertama ditambah d atau ed, seperti like menjadi liked, live menjadi lived, work menjadi work, start menjadi started, finish menjadi finished, open menjadi open, close menjadi closed, dan sebagainya. Sedangkan irregular verb atau yang kata kerja tidak beraturan, bentuknya tidak teratur, maka harus dihafalkan. Sebagai contoh, go menjadi went, have menjadi had, eat menjadi ate, get menjadi got, swim menjadi swam, see menjadi saw, buy menjadi bought, sell menjadi sold, dan seterusnya. Okay, now we should be able to apply the sentence pattern in sentences or in a short story. Now listen to me carefully before I ask you some question about it. Okay, Carol had a busy day yesterday. She went to work by train. It came at 8. She got on and sat down. She met a friend on the train and she talked about work and things like that. She got off at Grand Central Station. Then she took a bus to the travel agency. Then she started work. She finished at 5:30. At 6, she met some friends and they had dinner in a small Italian restaurant. Now, it's clear, right? Please answer my question about Carol. Question number 1. Did Carol have a busy day yesterday? Then, did he go to work by train? What time did the train come? Did he see or did he meet a friend on the train? Where did she get off? How did she go to the travel agency? Did she take a taxi? Well, what time did she finish work? The next question. Did he see some friends at 6? Did they have dinner in a Chinese restaurant? The last question. Where did they have dinner? Oke, dalam bentuk kalimat pertanyaan, gunakan auxiliary verb atau kata kerja bantu did. Lalu kata kerjanya kembali ke bentuk semula atau bentuk pertama. Now, it is about you. I want to ask you some questions. Did you have a busy day yesterday? How did you go to work? What time did you start work? And what time did you finish? Did you meet some friends after work? Where did you have dinner? Did you enjoy your dinner? Alright, it's clear, right? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.